Hello everyone. This is my first recap, so please bear with me as I try to make it um, work. so, um, just a little bit about myself. This is my first recap. I've been a member of BBT for around 9 months. It took me around 7 months to get consistently profitable. Um, and of those 7 months, only the last four I did my journal. I took it very seriously. Really trying to imitate reality so I can move to a real account. Uh, being in a solid foundation, right? Because at the beginning, in the first like 3 months, I created a real account, and I didn't put that much money in it, but it didn't go well, as you can probably imagine. But it didn't at the time, so I went back to Sim. I took it real seriously, and then after a few months, in the beginning, you learn. I think it's important to know for anyone that is new. In the beginning, you learn, and you're learning new things, but you don't necessarily see it in your P&L because I think you need to get a critical mass of knowledge. I don't know if that makes sense, but like, there's so many factors into a trade sometimes, and I think if you're missing a few factors, sometimes it can really mess up your trade. It's like an important moving average or an important time frame that maybe you're not aware of, or just something that you're not still 100% sure. So sometimes the results take, to me it was like that. I wasn't, I wasn't doing that well. Then I started doing break even. Then I started just creating a slope up, and sometimes it didn't seem like I was learning, but if you have a journal, you can see that. So let me get into a trade so this recap doesn't get too long. Two things, two trades, one on the NVDA. So NVDA, I liked it because there was not that much on the gappers list that I liked. There were a few stocks that were gapping up, but that I don't like BYND and Snap, just because of the price action that I've seen, and you can see on the daily chart. Uh, so anyway, just looking at all my stocks right here on my thing, and I saw NVDA was really going higher. So what I decided to do was take a look at it. So it looked interesting for a kind of ORB or like a ABCD pattern. But I had to be patient. I had to be really patient because it went up a lot, then it touched VWAP, then it with this kind of right here went flying, like not even a second before it touched VWAP and it went again. So I would have thought about taking it here, but it went so high that I couldn't, and it looked like it was going down without me. So I was like, okay, well, whatever. I'm not gonna be able to take it. But then it came back again to VWAP one more time, luckily for me. And when I saw it was holding and going up, I took it long again with a stop right below this wick. So I partial 2 to 1, 3 to 1. I saw it struggling. So I didn't know it could keep going up, it could go down and then up, and then so I kept taking partials, like 25% each time, and then it just dumped, very quickly dumped. I got out all my position here, close to break even, but I had taken I think like around 80% of my position out here. I think this last one I took like a 50% out because I wasn't happy with the price action. So still a good trade. I managed it well, and I took like a 1.6 R, which is good. And then next I took Co. Basically, I saw on the chat. I was looking at everything else. I was like, I'm done for the day, but because my objective is getting more than 1 hour per day. But I was decided to still early, still within my time frame that I like to trade. So I was looking at the charts, and then somebody said that Co looked like a good ABCD pattern. So I took a look at it, and what I liked was, yeah, it was strong, it was holding, it seems like it was holding. And then the 2 minute, I liked that it did a hammer and then started to break above the hammer with also breaking above this moving average. So I was like, okay, usually I would have taken a tighter stop, like although here, like this risk. But since I was already done for the day, I wanted to take a smaller trade, so I put my stop all the way down here. I would have probably stopped up if we were going all the way to here anyway, but I wanted to have a smaller share size really. So I just let it go. 2 to 1 here, 1.5 1 here because it was half high of the day, and then it was struggling, so I kept taking partials and partials and partials. And here it just taking too long. It felt like it was gonna go down, so I just took all out. I had my day. So that's it. And thank you for listening, and I hope it's been helpful. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. And again, I just want to help thank everybody in the BBT community, and Andrew particularly for starting all this and doing everything is done. It's really been really helpful for me. And and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.